Kasi ng fine match ko. Magkwento ka na lang, we. Anong kwentuhan ba? O sige, magkwento tayo. Nagpa-party na lang ako. Hindi na lang ako mag-ano, sugal. Party na lang. Which hero do you love to play? I only love my girlfriend, bro. No other else. I enjoy playing all heroes. Gi-invite juga matula sa PLR. Option tol, option day. If dili mo, kunwari, yung dalawang nag-conflict, may aalis ata doon, pwede ako. Pero si Coco pa rin, si Coco akong pilion doy. Wala ba guys? Wala ba? Wala naman eh. Wala naman eh. Solid kayo. Tagal pa ng fine match ko. Kwentuhan. Ang kwento ko is yes, bootcamp na. Bootcamp feels is good rin. Kamusta work ethics nyo dyan? So far no pressure naman. Antayin nyo lang guys, may podcast yung ano, yung TNC mismo. Pero so far, yung work ethics, ano lang, kunwari, ngayon, no pressure kami. Kung ano yung nilalaro namin na wala kaming team na free will, like freedom. Pero may scrim nga lang, magkakasabay kami. After nun, libre ka na. Pero nasa iyo pa rin yan, paano mo ibabalance yung pagiging pro player ba? Pro player ka na ngayon eh, kasi nga, di ka na streamer eh. Kunwari ako eh, paano kayo mababalance yung pagiging pro player and streamer, ganun. Kumbaga, walang obstacles na inihigpit yung TNC. Basta iingatan nyo lang pangalan nila. At the same time, nagpo-provide sila sa bootcamp. Ayos ba sagot natin, guys? Pro player plus streamer equals dollars, dollars, money, money. Hindi ito eh, kasi nga ito eh. Wala nga kaming sahod. Pro player kami, guys, pero dito sa usapan namin, wala kaming contract. Shake hands lang ni Sir Eric. Nakasupport ng TNC. Yes, kasi Pinoy. Pag-usapang Pinoy lineup, guys, TNC ang pinaka ano, committed. Why would you ask if you could meet anyone in the world alive or deceased? Deceased, ano, hindi ko alam. I think, my lola. Ano ba yan? Yung tanong na yan, parang ano eh, nakaka-emotions eh. Yung lola ko. Pag if you go, if you qualify to Riyadh or sure contract, yun, depends. Because right now we don't have assurance. As long as we play good, then maybe good future will come. But right now we just wanna do our best and let the result, like, you know, ilabas ang result. Uy, nandito si Antidotes. Hello, Antidotes. Ito ba yung sa ano? Kilabon? Lumilipat na yung mga kalahok ka. Oh, sila mo Discord ko kung may ka-Discord ba ako. Oh, si ano yan, sila Boss Bong, girlfriend ko na Discord, ASL, Kuko, Mac. Spy ako ni Mac eh. Ano daw FB ni ko? Ano yung Zesty? Paano ka nagtitikol? Bastos naman yan. Wala guys. Wala kami nun. Uuwi kami. Uuwi kami sa mga mahal namin sa buhay. Ipon lang muna. Pag umay, kanyon. Ah, ah. Nakikita mo ba, we, mga sablay na nagalawan mo, o i-point out sa'yo sa post-game analysis. Mga ganun guys, overall lang yun. Hindi naman dahil sa isang, kunwari, naglalaro kayo, nag-gank ka, tas natalo kayo. Hindi naman dahil dun yung reason ba't na kayo natalo sa isang gank lang. Yung conclusion dun. Kunwari, ba't ka nag-gank? Or ba't mo pa siya i-gank? Yung mga ganun na tanungan. Sagot ng TNC yung foods. Pero minsan sinasagot rin ni Coco kasi nga nagsasayang lang siya ng barya. Wala nang iba. How do you balance streaming with other aspects of your life, such as work, school, or family? I don't have work. I don't have school. I don't study. I like literally like paperwork, something like that, or like academic. Family is like just one update, like how are you? One call is fine. I can do that in my free time pag tapos na ako or like before start of the game. My loved ones, my girlfriend, and what's the other one? What's the other question? Life. Life is easy because this is my life playing Dota. So there's no problem. Our scrim right now is not good. Good. We got we got 0-2. Two wins by opponent, zero for us. But this is the first time we got 0-2. But the good thing there is we learned. Our scrim so far is good. Like it's like in MMR guys, like there's a plus 40 and plus 10 only. Maybe we always get plus 5. How do you deal with pressure or stressful situations? Pressure is normal when you're competing. Like if you're being a competitive, the pressure is there. The stressful is easy. You turn it, gawin mong gasolina. You convert stressful, you convert it into how do I say this? Excitement. Because stressful is bad. You let it out. What advice would you give someone who is just starting out as a streamer kick? Just do your thing, bro. But don't rush it out. If you see like right now you feel like oh my god I'm streaming constantly or grinding but there's no effect. I mean there like kunwari walang viewers ganun. It will result soon, not now. Someday. Just do your thing. Weh, pag naglaro ka ba tas yung sinampay sa kwarto na panis, anong masasabi mo dun? Ano yung pinagsasabo mo? Isa pa kang let it out. What do you mean let it out? Uy, may multo daw sa CR dito day. Wala naman, di ba? May- Yung damit ko nga, Jing! Wag mo nga anuhin. Ginaganon mo eh. Ginaganon mo eh. Ano ba? Ulihin mo nga, ulihin mo nga. Hawakan mo. Bugbugin. Nagbago na ba siya sa lap di lagi namamatay? Hindi. Para kiramdam nyo, lalakas galawan nyo. Right now, we don't need coach because we can perform in C teams. But when we go into the international, maybe we might need a coach. Subuhan mo na ako, Jing. Gutom na ako eh. Kunin mo na yung chicken ko, Jing. Yan mo yung assistant ko. Bisaya ko. Spicy! Di ko alam basta spicy yun. Same lang tayo tatlo. Balak nyo ba din mag-qualifiers ng TE pag di kayo naka-qualify sa Riyadh? We will qualify every Valve tournament starting right now. Yes, darling? Chicken, darling. What's the one piece of advice you'd give to someone starting out streaming apart from don't do it? I already answered you earlier, bro. It's the same question. What the fuck, are you dumb or what? No offense, but it's the same. It's similar question you asked. How do you adjust to you part? Just keep playing, bro. When you're balancing multiple projects, how do you keep yourself organized. Just do one thing at a time. Ano ba? Para kayong mga kapatid, pungin yun ah. Ito nga chicken, di ba? Chicken. Lo, ito, tatlo, same lang tayo. Wala naman si Palos, di ba? Go. Go. Di pa ako pinapansin. Ko. Ko. Di naman nag-order si Salap, no? Oh, so same lang tayong tatlong puking ina nyo kasi. Akin yung isa dyan. How do you deal with failure? Failure. Uh, failure. Wait. Wag mo akong tawanan. It's a serious question here. Failure. If you're afraid of making failure, it means you're not trying your best because you're being conscious. Wait lang, I need to keep my cool. Alis kayo, kumain na kayo! Mamaya pa ako eh. I'm doing multiple tasking. How do you what you win and how about you? Bobo ka. Okay ka na nga. Time out ka muna. Doon ka sa likod. Ang tanga mo na estudyante ka. Tingin nyo ba enough yung actions nyo, preparations nyo para mag-qualify? Not really. We need to, if you need to, it depends on the player eh. Also on the team kung paano, how do they handle this kind of like focus. But I can see the difference to this team and to Blacklist. Blacklist is committed team. You see Gabi not streaming. They keep like screaming every day, starting from like last week or already I think till right now, and they still playing pub. That's they're showing how much they wanna commit to Riyadh. But I don't see. Dami nyo naman. I don't. Naguguluhan na ako sa mga tanong nyo. Dami nyong tanong, wala naman kayong usap pala. Ang usapan natin kanina, mag-scatter. Tapos di kayo nagpapalaro, laruin nyo ng burat. Ang bobo eh, ang bobo eh. Real talk, tingin mo panalo kay Open Qualifiers. Yes, darling, we have a chance. Ba't iba upuan ko? The reason why my the reason why my gaming chair is like different because of like this. You see this? You see this? Like this? The TNC is like it parang kung yung armors dito hanggang dito pabanda. Yung armors. Hindi ko Uy, wag mo na akong pangaan. Hoy! Puking ina talaga! Ano ba gagawin mo pag ako talaga na heart attack dito, simba ko? Ako rin, isa rin. Ako rin, isa rin. Eh, mahina lang, mahina lang. Mahina nga lang. Mahina lang. Mahina lang. Doon,